Welcome! Today, I am going to teach you a simple and flavorful way how to cook a chicken gravy. This is a delicious gravy recipe that will enhance the flavor of all your chicken dishes, but especially fried chicken. To make this recipe, first, we preheat the pan to a medium heat and add our 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter, then stir until it melts. And add the chicken bouillon cube and continue stirring. Once it's all melted and well combined, add your 2 1/4 cup water and 1/2 cup all-purpose flour. Stir well. After that, season with a pinch of salt, a pinch of black pepper, 1/2 tablespoon garlic powder, then mix. After mixing, add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. We need to thoroughly stir our gravy until the liquid is smooth and has a bit of a thick consistency. Now that our gravy is done, it's time to enjoy this with some chicken. This is now our chicken gravy recipe. It's so delicious. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you're interested to learn how to make some truly amazing fried chicken, I have a recipe for that coming out on Thursday. So be sure to subscribe for more delicious Philippine recipes. Thanks for watching and have a great day!